Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make a snow sculpture in Heartopia game Winter Frost season. Okay, let's get into it guys. If you want to make a snow sculpture, you need to have this snowball sculpting bench and also the snowball machine. And to have them, you need to unlock the snow sculpting hobby. And if you want to unlock the hobby, you can watch my previous video. I've already explained how to unlock the snow sculpting hobby in my previous video. You can watch it first. And then you need to place the machine and also the bench in your house, and you're going to start making a snow sculpture. You need to activate the snowball machine like this, and you're going to click on the snowball sculpting bench, okay, until you see the snowball, and click on the snow icon, and then you're going to tap on the snows like this. You need to be very quick. Okay, you only have a few seconds to finish the oops, it's over. Okay, and I've made a snow sculpture, and click on this icon to get it. Okay, and it's done guys. Yeah, just like that. Okay guys, and that's how you can make a snow sculpture in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.